Hi friends, let us see the exponents of 3 using this simple paper folding activity. Friends, let us say I have to find 3 power 0. 3 power 0, we know it is 1. So 3 to the power of 0 is 1. So I have not made any fold and 0 folds. So it is 1 paper. Now let us say I have to find 3 to the power of 1. Okay, then what I do? I just make one fold, that is I make this paper into 3 equal parts. Okay, that is only the first fold I make and make this into 3 equal parts. Okay, when I open, you can see this 3. That is 3 to the power of 1 is 1, 2, 3. That's all. Now let me go for 3 to the power of 2. See, this is the first fold. Let me go for second fold. Again, I make it as 3 equal parts. Okay, you can see this. I just make 3 equal parts. Okay, when I open the paper, you can see there are 9 folds. That is 3 power 2 is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Beautiful. Now let us say I want to go for 3 to the power of 3. What do? This is the first fold. This is the second fold. So I go for 3 to the power of 3. I make one more fold. That is, I make 3 equal parts again in this. Okay, and press it properly so that the crease should form properly. Now when I open, I get 3 to the power of 3, and 3 to the power of 3 is, we know it is 27. You can see the 27 parts in this. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3. That is 9, these are 27. You can see 27 parts. Easy, friends. So like this, please take paper and fold as much as possible and find the exponents of other numbers also. Right, friends? So try for, let us say, 4 to the power of 1, 4 to the power of 2, 3, and 4 using the same technique. And if you want to say anything, don't forget to put it in the comment section. Friends, if you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe now because I'm planning to upload many more videos of this kind. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.